We must first keep our house on order. And secondly, it is not only the 5 decades of our independence, it is also, I want to remind the House, it is also 5 decades that Indian Army has been engaged to bring peace in Northeast. But with what result? In late 50s, when Indian Army was deployed in Northeast to counter the insurgency,
North East ahawaralong Bharat Sarkar ajok heli kaman pen kacesong asong atumaphan kepawir amen pen penang an aron langnu cehar jaksi heli kaman pen kacesong asong aphan kiri amen pen Indian Army lapen police ajok hangbakbe rongrat aphan kachine kaholu aputhak parliament long tekham ki phusonsi pidulo
you are hoping to be successful in Kashmir, well, you do it, but your records of 5 decades has shown that you have failed. When you have failed during last 5 decades, there is no chance that you will be successful in the immediate near future. So this policy must be reviewed. So there must be a political solution to it. And yes, whenever I have never said that Government of India has never tried to have a political solutions. Whenever you try the political solutions, it has given result. In between 1969 and 1971, then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi started a political dialogue with the tribal groups and those people who were disgruntled. And Assam Northeast was reorganized in 1971 by act of this parliament. And after that, in many areas, peace returned. And these are the areas where there is peace in Northeast. Not only peace, they have progressed. Mizoram was created by this 1971 Northeast Reorganization Act, and Mizoram happens to be the second most literate state in the country. And once Mizoram was the most literate state in our country. Now their place is second. Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya is still the peaceful place. That is what I am saying. Whenever Government of India has tried political solutions, you have got results. There were only 2,000 alpha cadres. But after these draconian laws were introduced, 5,000